If you would like water to rain all over your property like this with a switch of a valve or the push of a button. Skies are pretty gray this morning. It's August the 8th and we're in Santa Margarita here at home, and the fire is over that ridge and 20 miles to the south, but we're starting to get a little nervous. So we're going to install some fire sprinklers today over the top of our units out here and protect our property. Yeah, and cars. So we'll see how this goes. So we have a water connection point here, and we're going to put in a shutoff valve for fire. But I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor fire sprinkler system that's super simple and hopefully will save structures, maybe save lives. All right, here we go. Here's all the materials that you need. We've got 2 Hunter PGP sprinkler heads. These guys can shoot approximately 39 feet maximum with 30 psi. And we got our glue, primer, and this is going to tee into our water supply. And then we'll run a little piece of 3/4 inch PVC over to a valve, to an elbow down underground, elbow over to our lines. We just did our trenches. It took about an hour to trench for our pipes between the 2 units, and we're looking good. So Levi, my son here, is going to put this together. I did not state the obvious, but you also need these adapters from your slip fitting glued onto the pipe to a threaded coupler that threads into the bottom of your sprinkler head. And then we just have to adjust these sprinklers with this little adjustment key, and it's pretty simple. And whatever you do, don't forget your coffee. Yeah, so we bought this stuff at Home Depot. Most of the parts there you can see cost about $38, not including the pipe. So it's pretty cheap. I think with the pipe and everything, depending on how much my son charges me in labor, it's going to cost about $100 to $200. Okay, not bad for fire insurance. Making progress. We got our valve installed for the fire sprinklers. We can shut off and on really easy. We got our trench here around the 5th wheel. We've got that guy ready to install the riser with a sprinkler. We got our pipe in here over to this corner and of the tiny home, and we're not putting it too deep because this is kind of an emergency situation. But that's going to go up the corner, and you can see the sprinkler is a couple of feet over the top there, and it's going to blow water all over the place. That's what we want. All right, we got sprinklers in, got our pipes in. I think we've let it dry enough and cure. We got the other sprinkler head up there on top. Time to turn the water on. Let's test this out. Of course, we don't know which direction the sprinkler heads are aimed at, but we're about to find out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hey! Wow, is it reaching you, Levi? Yes. Nice. Heck yeah. That one's working good. That one is watering the tree at the moment. Time to adjust, but hey, it's hitting the front of the trailer beautifully. Probably be a good idea to close my vents. Might have to angle that down. It's hitting the tree. It's working good. All right, so after about 20-30 minutes, whoo, just got sprayed. We've got wet roofs, wet ground for about 30 feet in all directions. We got it spraying the trees up there, hopefully to reduce crown fire, and I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Good job, Levi. Local fire guys are stationed over here. Got all kinds of activity going on. Fire trucks coming and going. Bulldozers. They're camped out here on the Santa Margarita Ranch. And it's pretty awesome. Appreciate these guys a ton. If you would like water to rain all over your property like this with a switch of a valve or the push of a button, please give us a call or email us. See our email in the description below. and we'll be happy to give you a free estimate to design and install an outdoor fire sprinkler system. Thank you very much.